Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Steam fatal error needs to be online error in Windows computer. So this problem usually happens when Steam cannot get a stable internet connections, and one of the main reasons behind this problem is incorrect time and date settings on the computer. Other network problems such as DNS conflict, Winsock corruptions, very strict firewall settings, and third-party security programs. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions that we're going to do is to check and date settings. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel and then click open. And once you open up this control panel, and on top right corner, then you can see here this view by, and then we need to modify, and then click this arrow and select large icons to see all settings. And then next step, then you need to select date and time and then click. So here at date and time settings, and then next step, then you need to select this internet time tab and then click. And the next step, then you need to click this change settings and on right side down. And here at internet time settings, and then all you have to do is to check or make sure that synchronize with an internet time server box is ticked. So once it's unticked, then you need to check this box or tick this box, synchronize with internet time server, and on right side, and then you need to click this update now, and then click OK. Alright, so once you're done here at time and date settings, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to allow Steam through the firewall. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Windows security and then click open. And once you open up this Windows security, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select firewall and network protections and then click. And on right side, and then you need to select this allow an app through firewall and then click. And open up this Windows Defender firewall. So allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender firewall. And the next step, then you need to check or you need to click this change settings. And then once you click this change settings, and then here at allowed apps and features, then we need to modify this Steam and Steam web helper. So all you have to do is to scroll down and find and locate. So once you already find this Steam, so all you have to do is to select, and on right side, then you can see here these two options, private and public. So check this box, this private, and also with public should be check this box. And the other one, this is the Steam web helper, and then select, and on right side, then you need to check this box, private, and then the other one is public. Alright, so once you're done here, to modify this Steam and Steam web helper, and then click OK. And then once you're done here at Windows security, and then close at here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Steam fatal error. Steam needs to be online update. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.